So this is where we left off. Made the guarding station. I found that the pressure was a bit low, so I got myself a pump. I've connected the power underground to the shed. The project today is to make a little tiny pump shed or pump house. I've got the materials and a plan. This video was quite difficult to make because it's always hard to come back after a long break. And in the last video I said I'm going to smart this, smart that, blah blah blah. But during that time I've created a smart home, installed solar, gone crazy with smart doorbells, smart switches, smart lights, smart cameras, smart everything. And my first video back was going to be this pump house with smart monitoring, and I just couldn't motivate myself to do it. Instead, I'll make it into a 2-part video and show you some of my other smart projects. But basically all this one needs is one of these. So while I was stuck in my creativity hole, I decided to get my mojo back by just doing a couple simple tool restores. And here we are now. 2 beautiful saws, an antique plane video, and a couple of ads. This axe is a quick project for a mate, and he gave me this awesome Stanley 78, and I'm going to do a special 3 restores in 1 video on it. This video series will be released this time every week, so stay tuned, get subscribed, and yeah, just enjoy it. If you like my quick and simple pump house, check out my free plans in the description. Hope you haven't missed me too much. See you next week.